The universe is saying to you today, you have been taking massive action toward achieving your goals and making progress on your dreams. This effort you are pouring into the work you do is producing a quantum leap in your results. You are accomplishing more in 1 month than most people accomplish in 1 year because of your deep belief in your own abilities. You are being blessed with new insights, ideas, and downloads from Source. A special chapter of life is unfolding for you. Type yes to claim it. Whatever you want in life, other people are going to want it too. Believe in yourself enough, accept the idea that you have an equal right to it. If you strive for perfect love, you will learn to see the face of God in your spouse, your children, and your fellow human. This should be our goal as humankind. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe the channel